While we talk about goods issue without reference, so while posting the good issue without reference, we need to manually input the details such as document date, posting date, material number, quantity, movement types, account assignment detail. ये सारी चीज़ें we have to make it manually because it's without the reference document. So for that thing, the reference document is not there and you have to just simply put it against the goods issue against without any document. When the good issue document is posted, system create a material document, right? It is same जो हमने देखा था good receipt में, that when a document is being receipt, तो एक particular document create होता है against this receipt, right? Same similar way हमारे पास एक document create हो रहा है at the time of goods issue, which is called as the document issue good issue document. So creation of a material document. When you post a good issue, the system automatically creates a material document which serves as proof of the goods movement. Crea- Creation of an accounting document. Parallel to the material document, the system creates an accounting document. The accounting document contains the posting lines that are necessary for the movement, right? So this is the overview of good issue, where you are basically first of all creating a material document which helps or which serves as the proof for the good movements, and second is the creation of an accounting document that basically helps the accounting department for their various purposes. So creation of goods receipt issue slip. When you enter good issue, you can print the good issue slip at the same time also. Stock update. What happened in the stock update? Total valuated stock is can be seen. Then unrestricted used stock, right? Unrestricted used stock is which stock? Which are available for the usage, right? Which in which no quality inspection is required, or nothing any further weight is required. So in this particular area, unrestricted use stock is there. Reserve stock if the goods issue is entered with reference to a reservation or an order, right? So stock update में then there is a reserve stock updated also, जहाँ पे you will be basically see कि कितना जो good issue है वो enter हुआ है with reference to a reservation or an order. Then the stock are updated both at plant level and in storage level. Then the update of GL account is there. So your GL यानी कि journal ledger account is also being updated, right? When the good issue is posted, the system automatically creates posting lines on the account of the accounting system. Now consumption update in addition to causing an inventory update in the material master record, a good issue posting causes an update of the consumption statistics if the material is planned with the MRP, right? So this is the consumption update, right? What is reservation update in this? So with good issue that reference a reservation or a sales order, quantity withdrawn is updated in the reservation item. So reservation जहाँ जहाँ पर भी है, that is referred to the buffer stock or the reserve stock. The reservation item is completed when the total reservation quantity has been withdrawn. Now in order update, in the case of goods issue with reference to an order, the quantity withdrawn for a component are updated in the order, right? As soon as you issue the good against a reference order, then the quantity is automatically updated. The quantity is being deducted from the total stock. Then update in the other application that can also occur in related applications. Then what happened in the transfer requirement? So whenever the transfer requirement is coming, right? So what you do is you issue the good to a particular branch, and then the particular item is being deducted from the warehouse inventory or the store's inventory, and then it is being added to the another inventory jahan pe it's in another branch where it is being requested. When there is a inspection requirement, then in if an inspection processing is active in the quality management system, an inspection is lot is created at the time of good issue, the quality management system uses this inspection lot to carry out the inspection. So tab bhi it's not basically deducted from the inventory, but it's basically sent for the inventory updation, right, for the quality check. So there are different purposes of this also, right? You might scrap a material if you cannot use it more. The quality has been reduced due to long shortage. It's out of dated. Material has been destroyed. So scrapping वाले जो material होते हैं, all such material are being used as the मतलब goods, all such material are being issued without any reference document. So scrap material can be anywhere. Inspected stock में भी हो सकता है, block stock में भी हो सकता है, and it also may come into the unrestricted block. So whenever any disposal of the scrapping is there, if you are issuing any scrap material, then what happen is a relevant stock is reduced. Value of stock material is posted from the stock account to a scrap account. Cost of the scrap material are assigned to the cost center. The value is picked from the material master record at the time of posting. Now, what are the activities from inventory management? So it is basically a kind of path that you have to follow in a particular ERP.